Hello everyone. Today we will complete the third part of our tutorial and we will draw hatch, write text and set our blocks. Let's start and complete our architecture plan. First, I will go to layer properties to add new layers for text, hatch and blocks, and we will add a different color for all of them. Now we will start with hatch. First, choose hatch layer, then press H enter. After that, choose hatch pattern and select the hatch places and press enter. Now we will set our blocks. First, choose blocks layer. Then open the block file and select the blocks you want. Then press right click and choose clipboard. Then press copy. After that, we will go to our file and paste the blocks. Just press Ctrl V and click anywhere to set the blocks in the file. Now you can use your block and move it where you want, and we will do the same tips with all the blocks which we want to use in our drawing. Now we set all the blocks to their places. The next step we will write our text. First, choose text layer, then press T enter, then draw text rectangle. Now write your text and after you finish, click anywhere in the drawing area. We will also draw rectangle around the text to make it more clear. We will copy this text box and edit it for all the rooms in the plane. To edit text, just double click on the text and retype it again. For now, we will use command H again for bathroom and kitchen floor. Just press H, enter. Then choose H pattern. After that, edit H pattern scale to 0.1. Then select H place and press enter. At last, we finish our architecture plane in this part of the tutorial. We hope that we make all our viewers feel useful, and we hope to hear your opinion to upgrade our channel. See all of you soon with a new tutorial. If you like our video, share it and don't forget to subscribe our channel.